Hello and welcome to the USERT Catering Equipment Review Show. This week we're looking at Rationale's range of Vario Cooking Centres. The Vario Cooking Centre is a bit of a trailblazing product. It started in the 1980s, but over the last 4 or 5 years it's really started to improve thanks to heavy research and development investment from Rationale. These pieces of kit are designed for larger scale caterers who don't have quite as much space for their production kitchen as they would like, and they want to make their kitchen processes more efficient. The reason that it works like that is because this is a multi-function cooking system. You can shallow fry, deep fat fry, you can cook pasta, you can cook rice in there, you can even sous vide in them, which is amazing really if you consider it. You also have the option of buying one of the models which has a pressure cooking option, which again increases the opportunity you have to streamline your processes by speeding up things like stews, or if you're doing pulled pork, things like that. Under pressure, those things take a lot less time. These are large machines, but they replace 4 or 5 different pieces of kit, so your footprint gets less, your need for extraction becomes less, but you still have the same capacity. How does it perform? Well, these machines are very well made. They use a very familiar operating system. If you've got or have seen a Rationale combi which has the display on it, the digital display with images and things like that, it uses that same system. It's very intuitive, it's easy to use, and because it has preloaded programs on there, you can actually find your cooking made much more efficient. If you tell it you're going to do a risotto, it will say, right, put the rice in, right now brown off the rice, okay, now it's time to add your stock. It will take you through those processes, and it will beep because it has such detailed sensors. It has temperature probes and various things in it. It will know exactly when your steak is done, when the sous vide should come out. It will know when the pasta is ready to lift out, and it even has an automatic lifting system where it will lift out baskets holding chips or rice or pasta when they're cooked. So making things a lot easier, and you know you definitely won't overcook any of those products, which is amazing. On the pans themselves, they have these very clever thin heating elements which can be individually controlled, and that means you can have different zones within a pan. So you can have up to 6 different zones in a pan, which means you can cook a steak in one and the tomato that's going to go with it in the other, and you'll be cooking them at different temperatures. So in conclusion, this is a piece of kit, the Vario Cooking Centre, of the various different sizes. You can go from 2 small pans to 1 very large pan, and various configurations in between. Whatever the size of business you have, there will be a Vario Cooking Centre for you. They're an investment, they're a big investment, but they will really help larger caterers to streamline their processes, reduce the size of their kitchen, and actually make you more efficient and reduce your energy costs as well. There you go.